Most drivers don't realize this, but engines hold grudges. Everyday habits, like stomping the gas, aren't just bad, they're brutal. Over time, these little mistakes can cause big damage. Skipping maintenance? That's practically asking for trouble. We're diving into 9 habits that stress your engine. Each one might sound harmless, but the damage adds up fast. The good news? You can avoid them easily. Stick around until the end, and I'll even share a bonus tip. It's simple, effective, and could save your engine's life. Ready to break some bad habits? Let's dive in. Habit number 1, running a motor low on oil or no oil at all. When oil levels get too low, parts of the engine don't get enough lubrication. This causes more wear and can shorten the engine's life. As the oil gets lower, the engine starts to overheat. If the oil reaches a critical temperature, it loses its ability to lubricate properly. That's when things get dangerous. The engine temperature spikes and the engine may seize. In worse scenarios, causes parts to weld together. At that point, your engine is finished. Habit number 2, constant low RPM driving. Driving at low RPMs all the time, known as lugging the engine, can actually be pretty rough on it. When you're driving at low RPMs, especially with a heavy load, the engine doesn't get enough oil, coolant, or airflow to keep things cool and well lubricated. That's because the oil pump, water pump, and fan all slow down at lower RPMs. And with less oil pressure and slower coolant flow, the bearings don't stay as protected and heat can start to build up. Now, if you're in stop-and-go traffic, a little low RPM driving is no big deal. Modern engines are built to handle it, and most cars have systems to help balance things out. But if you're regularly lugging the engine under a heavy load, it's best to avoid it. Your engine will thank you in the long run. Habit number 3, excessive engine braking. One big risk with engine braking is over-revving. Downshifting into too low a gear for your speed makes the engine spin faster than it should. This can cause serious damage, like floating a valve or even causing a piston to hit the valve, just like a timing belt failure, but faster. Another issue is wear on your transmission synchros. Constantly downshifting to slow down puts more stress on the synchros than upshifting. So it's better to downshift once and stay in that gear as you slow instead of shifting down again and again. Rev matching can help a bit, but brakes are still better for regular slowing and stopping. Engine braking works well on long downhills to control speed. However, for everyday stops, stick to your brake. They're cheaper and easier to replace than engine parts. If you find the video useful and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Okay, let's move on. Habit number 4, revving an engine cold. Revving a cold engine can actually cause a lot of damage if it hasn't had a chance to warm up first. When the engine's cold, the oil inside is also cold and thick. This means it doesn't move as smoothly or reach all the parts that need lubrication. If you rev the engine too soon, key parts like the pistons and bearings aren't getting the lubrication they need, and then extra wear, or even serious failure. A common mistake is to look at the coolant temperature gauge and think, the engine's warm enough. But here's the thing, oil heats up more slowly than coolant, so even if the coolant is warm, the oil might still be too thick to protect the engine. Years back, some cars had an oil temperature gauge to show when it was truly safe to rev. So, let the engine warm up naturally. It'll save you from expensive repairs and keep things running smoothly. Habit number 5, high gear acceleration. Accelerating hard in high gear or pushing the RPMs too high too often can really wear down your engine. Now, if you floor it once in a while, that's fine. Cars are made to handle some bursts of power, but when you're constantly driving with the pedal to the floor, it puts a lot of extra stress on parts like the crankshaft bearings. Over time, this can lead to premature wear and even failure. Modern engines do have electronic governors, so they'll limit the RPMs before things get too dangerous. Still, pushing your engine to its max RPM again and again adds extra cycles that can shorten its life, even if you're not actually over-revving. For a good balance between performance and longevity, it's best to stick to moderate revs. Not only does it keep your engine healthier, but it's also more fuel efficient. Save those hard accelerations for when you only need them. Habit number 6, ignoring fluid leaks. Every type of leak has its own risks, and none should be ignored. Take a coolant leak, for example. It can make your engine overheat and fail. An oil leak? That can damage your engine and even start a fire if the oil lands on something hot, like the exhaust. Brake fluid leaks are even worse. They reduce your ability to stop, creating a huge safety risk. Then there's transmission fluid. A leak there can lead to major transmission damage. And let's not forget, all leaks make the road slippery, putting other drivers at risk. Even a small leak that just dirties your driveway can turn into something much bigger and more expensive if left unchecked. If you notice a leak, don't wait. Get it checked by a mechanic right away. Often, it's as simple as cleaning the engine bay and fixing the source early. Ignoring it could lead to complete engine failure or other costly repairs. Think of it like your body. If you don't have enough blood, your body shuts down. Without enough oil, your engine will seize and fail. This leads to costly repairs, or worse, a full replacement. Habit number 7, ignoring overheating. Heat is an engine's worst enemy. It can warp cylinder heads and cause oil burning, misfires, and a loss of power. Another common problem is busted hoses, which allow coolant to leak. You'll have a mess in the engine compartment and potentially damage other components. A major overheat can even cause a blown head gasket. This mixes coolant and oil, which severely damages the engine. If you see thick white smoke from the exhaust, that's a sign of this problem. You can spot overheating by looking at the temperature gauge or seeing a warning light. A moderate overheating will make the coolant boil over. Severe overheating can seize the engine and leave you with costly repairs or a full engine replacement. If your engine starts to overheat, pull over immediately and get your vehicle towed to avoid further damage. Even a short drive could be the difference between a simple fix and a complete engine rebuild. Habit number 8, driving through standing water. Driving through standing water can be a real hazard for your engine. Most car owners will dispute it, but this is especially true if the water's high enough to reach the air intake. Each vehicle has a wade limit, usually just below the air intake. Sure enough, you'll know the maximum depth it can handle safely. If water enters the intake, it's going to flood the engine and cause it to shut down immediately. And this isn't the same as being flooded with fuel. It's much worse because water can damage the engine's internal parts. Off-road vehicles often have a raised air intake, known as a snorkel. It allows them to drive through deeper water by keeping the intake elevated and dry. But without a snorkel, water should never reach the combustion chamber. It's made only for fuel and air. If water does get in, the engine needs to be completely dried out, and you'll need clean oil before it can run again. Habit number 9, skipping regular maintenance. If you delay oil changes, the oil gets thin and turns into sludge. This sludge can't properly lubricate the engine, and then the car parts wear out faster, and in some cases, the engine could seize. The same goes for transmission oil. If you skip those changes, the oil breaks down, losing its ability to keep the transmission cool and lubricated. Your car's transmission will slip, overheat, or even fail to engage a gear. In some cases, you might lose a gear altogether. Both engine and transmission problems are expensive to fix. So, keep up with routine maintenance like oil changes. It's a small effort that can save you from costly repairs down the road. Bonus tip: Could an engine oil additive save your engine? Here's a secret most drivers don't know. Adding an engine oil additive can work wonders for your car. It boosts your oil's ability to protect your engine, reducing wear and tear as you drive. It's like giving your oil a superhero upgrade. Additives improve how well your oil handles extreme heat or cold, making sure your engine stays protected in any condition. Some even improve fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The best part? Using one is easy. Just pour it in during your next oil change. It's a small step with big benefits for your engine and your wallet. Your engine is the heart of your car, and avoiding these bad habits can save you thousands in repairs and extend its lifespan. Treat it well, and you'll enjoy better fuel efficiency, fewer breakdowns, and a smoother driving experience. Ready to level up your car care knowledge? Watch my video on 17 common oil change mistakes that can ruin your engine. You'll learn practical tips to prevent sludge buildup, reduce wear, and avoid costly damage. Click here to check it out now.